Meghalaya has already geared up for the Lok Sabha polls. Chief Electoral Officer Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari told media persons that altogether 40 companies of Central Armed Police Forces CAPF, including Assam Rifles, Border Security Force BSF, Central Industrial Security Force CISF, Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, beside others, are deployed in the state for the upcoming general elections. Tiwari said all the vulnerable areas have been identified and proper monitoring is being done. Police have resorted to Naka checking to ensure no major transportation of money or liquor is carried out. Setting the stage, voting for the first phase of the 18th Lok Sabha elections will be held on April 19th, with 102 constituencies voting in this phase. Meghalaya, along with many other northeast states, will also vote in the first phase. Altogether, 10 candidates are in fray for the 2 seats in Meghalaya.
Areas are already been identified, and this is up to the election we are keeping close watch on the different area, different localities also, and if any incident, anything happening, we are also evolving all those things to take proper care for having the peace, tranquility and a level playing field all across the state, so any voter can cast their vote free and fair manner.
The Umiam Bridge and